this video, I will show you how to change currency in Wise. So on Wise, you have different accounts that you can create and you can do that in here. And this will depend which currency is being shown in your account. So right now I am on my Euro account, so everything will be displayed in Euros. And when I go to USD and click on this, then I will go to my USD account. And in here, I will just basically see everything in USD. And this works with every other currency in here as well. So if you want to go to a different currency, so have a different currency account, then you can just click on new and then you can select to open a balance, open a jar, or spend with others. But in this case, you're going to open a balance and then you can just select a balance to open. And then you can also see all the currencies that are shown in here. So let's say you want UAE dirham, then you're going to select this. And then you already have your account ready. And this way you can just add and request money and also get your account details. And after you have done that, you will see that your account is visible in here. And now you can just switch anytime to this account. So this is how you change your currency in Wise. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.